In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a pivot table and pivot chart in PowerPoint. This is an essential skill if you're looking to create dynamic presentations where your data insights are presented clearly and interactively. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. To start, you'll need to have your Excel file ready, where you've already prepared your pivot table and pivot chart. Once you've ensured that your chart is exactly how you want it, the first thing you'll need to do is to click on the chart to select it. With the chart selected, go ahead and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is your quick and friendly way to copy the chart and prepare it for pasting elsewhere. Next, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a PowerPoint presentation you're working on, go ahead and open that file. If you don't, just open a new presentation. Once you're in PowerPoint, navigate over to the slide where you'd like to place your Excel pivot chart. Remember, choosing the right slide for your chart is important for making sure your data presentation flows well with the rest of your content. Now, you're ready to paste your chart into PowerPoint. Head over to the Home tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. You'll see a paste button there, but rather than clicking it directly, click on the small drop-down arrow underneath it. This will display more options for pasting, giving you greater control over how your chart appears in PowerPoint. From the drop-down, select Paste Special. This is a key step because it determines how Excel interacts with PowerPoint. Once you've clicked Paste Special, a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll be presented with several options. What you're looking for is the option to paste link. This choice is critical, as it essentially links your chart in the PowerPoint slide directly to your Excel file. Any changes you make in Excel will automatically reflect in PowerPoint, which is a huge time saver. After you select Paste Link, you'll see additional pasting options appear. You'll want to pick the appropriate format based on your needs. Typically, choosing an Excel chart format works best for maintaining interactivity. Once you've selected your paste link and format, simply click OK and voila! Your chart is now embedded in PowerPoint. Taking a moment to verify that nothing looks amiss on your slide is a good practice. Make sure the chart is properly linked and updates as expected whenever you make changes back in Excel. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you're now equipped to enhance your PowerPoint presentations by seamlessly embedding pivot tables and charts directly from Excel. Not only will your data look more professional, but it also ensures your audience has a clear and updated view of your insights. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.